Right, here we go. Welcome back. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to come on Friday. I was actually doing some um Auth0 work that I think is going to be interesting for um to do a mini course on. But definitely was having a lot of fun. So the time went by. I also wanted to get to a good place. There was like some things that weren't working out, and so I wanted to get that working before heading off to the weekend. So again, so sorry for that. Hope you guys had a good weekend, and happy to see you guys here again. So let's see. We are. Oh, so remember Friday we had no Thursday. I mean Thursday we had some issues with the. Let me close this. We had some issues with the generation of our manuscript, but I figured that out. Well, I actually emailed the people at LeanPub. They're always super um, responsive, and in a matter of hours, the top guy Len communicated with me, and he said that it's effectively the issue. It was that the manuscript was set up on on a type, on a markdown type. I think it's on book info. Maybe settings. Yeah, markdown dialect. So this was selected in Marqua on the from Flash to Quart. So Marqua is it's a little bit weird. They have their own like um, markdown formatting for books, but they also have LeanPub flavor markdown. But I think Marqua is more like experimental, and it might have some other benefits that I don't really understand. Like there's a definitely documentation about it and how it's supposedly better to do stuff in Marqua than in LeanPub flavored markdown. But in any case, the line numbers weren't working as we saw the last time. And when Len, the guy from LeanPub, emailed me and said, "Hey, try you have your settings to Marqua, maybe Tesla LeanPub flavored." But that was for the images issues. Remember that we also had an issue with the images. So actually, when I switched that and I regenerated the book, it came out really nicely. So let me show you guys the desktop. Oh, there you go. I set up some like keyboard shortcuts to go to main and desktop because that was annoying that it would switch to desktop like, at any time. So now the lines appear correctly. So here you see there's no lines in here, but if you scroll here, there's lines in there. So same thing, no lines. And now, whoo, images. Images are fine. That's awesome. And they have their little figure 4.22, which sounds like super technical and stuff. But any case, that worked fine. And the whole book, the whole chapter looks really nice. So yeah, I was able to finish that off. So good news on that front. I also had a what was the other thing I did that I figured out? It was something else. Now I can't remember. Maybe it was the Auth0 stuff that I was figuring out, and now I have in my memory that it was something related to you guys. But in any case, that's working correctly, um, and it's looking good. So, um, like I said, I typically try to do the streaming at 5 p.m. Today I started a little late because I had some meetings and stuff. I'm now have a green screen. I don't know if you can see that my background is. Have to find a more interesting background there. I'll play with some backgrounds. Um, but now it looks a little more professional and really like how it looks. But any case, that's it. That's the updates. And let's go ahead and we have to finish the chapter 5 and then we can get into the coding part that that is always more exciting. So sorry there's a little bit more of Limpub stuff in here, but we'll get through it, I promise. So now I guess we had up to let's see, 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4, 8 was the last one. Let's check here. Yeah, it says 4, 8 done. So now we'll do for 9. So go to the bottom of this and oh, this is for 9. I think this is for 9. Yeah. So I already pasted for 9. So let's start formatting that. Let me copy this so that we can use it on the section. So testing our counter application. That's the next section. So this is bash. So this is talking about PyTest. Python. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on line numbers here. This is where this is the conf test. Yeah, that makes sense. So let's take a look at the conf test on the code itself. I believe we have that in the actual see from 0edu. Let's look that up on our repo. Yeah, we want the Flash MySQL boilerplate. And I believe this is towards there's no steps in here. No, this is MySQL. This is it. So I'm sure this is a step 8. Maybe not. Step 8. Yeah, that makes sense because I haven't done the Docker file, which is what we're going to work on after I finish this. So conf test. Let's see. Okay, so we have import PyTest, asyncio, blah, blah, blah. From application create app, right? Now I want to check where in the code I have these lines. PyTest mark asyncio. Make sure to put the load.env. Create TP. Oh, I see. So this is actually on line, let's see, 21. line 21. So line numbers on. What was the name of the start line number command? Starting line number. Is 21. Right. This part here we add later on, so I'm a little bit hesitant to put the line number here because it we then inject this, like the example initially has is without this. Let me see if there's like a link to the when I say save the file. Yeah. So I have an actual link in here. See, this is better because I don't have the loop stuff. So it's actually 13. 13. Perfect. So now we have by test mark as syncio, blah, blah, blah. This is good. Connection close. So the next one is 53. No, 55. Oops. Ta-da-da. And then we also need a create DB. Yeah, that's the create. Wait. Await app shutdown. Oh, I'm quoting the application where I'm putting the startup before serving. So let's point to that. That's on application PY. And that's in 22. Okay. And now oh, and then we again reference that application PY. And that is after serving, so that's line 27. And this is app, create app. Where is that? Oh, it's on the test again, I think. No, that's not in here. One thing I want you to notice in the instantiation of the create app, oh, this line here, 57. 57. fixture return with a double asterisk. Yeah, CreateDB. And we go back to the application PY here. So let's go there. Apply override for tests. That's 13. Oh, we had it there. Awesome. And then, yeah, this is an example. So we can put the same line number 57 that we had here, because I'm just like exploding the parameters there. Okay. And this is the create test client. Oop. Back. That's 63. Now let's go access this counter inside the counter folder. Okay. So test counter. Wait, let's see what the the actual file is. I have a link here. Huh? Oh, it's that underscore. You need to escape the underscores in the FNs, which is something I think I also corrected on the file. Okay, so import. Copy this. So this is line 1. Import PyTest, yeah, from Quart. PyTest fixture scope module. Okay. We do test initial response. That's on 17. And then this is a bash. And that's where the error happens. And I need to grab a loop from the event loop. So that's what I add in save the file number 3. And that is line 14. Now this is bash. And bash again. Test second response. There must be a file in that. That's 24. And now I think we'd create, that's line 33. This is bash. And we're done. Wow. Now we can start working on Docker, the Docker chapter, which is amazing. So this was what, 4.9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So let's commit this. I might need to turn on the terminal. SSH add D. Okay, so we'll add this and then say finished 4.9. Now we'll push. And we'll generate the, oh, that's not it. Nope. Subset. Okay. Let's download the PDF. Application setup. Yeah. Oh, where's the scroll line? There's no scroll. Okay, this is the new stuff I hear. Yeah, testing or counter application. Okay, pipenv. Yep. Import. Nice. 13. And then 56. 22. Yeah, this all looks good. Yeah, this looks amazing. Pipe, pipen from PyTest. Ta ta ta. And that's it. We're done. We're done with this part of the. I mean, of page of chapter 4. So now we're gonna do the actual Docker compose, which I need to do on a different profile because I need to record the actual steps. So right now I have no. I have step 8, so I need to like do step 9 here. Okay, so let's get out of this mode now. CD. Also step 8. Wait, what was the last one that we saw? Oh, so I did already the step 8. I did code it. I just need to write the script for it. So I might not need to. What do I do? I don't have the recordings, do I? Let's see. On camera. Yeah. I have a bunch of like video files. I can't remember if I have like typos in here. I don't think I do. Um, there are way too many like video files, and I know it's gonna be complicated. So I'll delete these things and I'll just like do that from scratch. Okay, I'll stop streaming because I need to switch profiles, but I'll be right back.